We'll guide you through how to empty the trash and recycle bin on Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've been deleting some photos and files or other things as well, and now you want to go and make sure you go and fully delete them by emptying out the trash and recycle bin. Otherwise, they're still going to be on your device. Often the recycle bin will go and automatically empty after 30 days, but perhaps you want to go and free up the space now, and so you want to go and do it now. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. There are different ways you can go about this to make sure this full guide, and you can go and decide what way is going to go and work best for you. So for the first way, what we need to do is we need to go and open up the file manager on your device. So what you need to do here is go and swipe up. Now what you can do is go to the top and press on search, or you can go and find your files app and you can go and type in files. I just find this to be the easiest way. So it should be very easy to find. We can go into my files and here we are. So for the first way, you want to make sure you're on the main page of your files. So you may need to go and press the back button in the top left and keep pressing it until you're back here. And then what we need to do is go and find the trash and the recycle bin. So what you can do is you can go and scroll down, and then in utility, you should find recycle bin. So this is the first way. So you can go and tap that there, and you can then go and see the items in it. If you just want to, as for the few, press select, and then with them selected, you can go and press delete. If you want to empty the entire thing, press the three dots in the top right and you can go and press empty, and you can confirm your decision and permanently delete them all. That's the first way. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and do it in your settings as well. So you can go and swipe up, go and find the option for settings. You may swipe across to go and find it, or go and search for it at the top. Now in here, we need to go down and find our storage settings. So you go and scroll down, and then we can come into device care. And in here, you can go and find storage. If you're struggling to find it, you can always press the magnifying glass in the top right and go and search for storage. Now in here, you want to then find the recycle bin, wait for it to load, and you can go and see there can be different bins here. So what you can then do is go into the recycle bin you want to do this with. Let's say I want to do it with the gallery. Then what you can do is press the three dots in the top right, and you can go and press empty, and you can then go and confirm a decision if you wanted to. That's it. And of course, you can come back and repeat that for the others here. Then I could do it for calendar, let's say. I'll then press the three dots in the top right and press empty and confirm the decision.